Hey everybody, Michael Beck here, and I'm really excited to join you for the Fall Convocation. One of the things I'm excited to learn about is from my mentor, Dr. Monica Ardell, who is the world's leading researcher and wisdom scholar. So Dr. Ardell actually developed the tool that sociologists, psychologists use to assess wisdom in people. Now, in our world today, we have lots of knowledge, we have lots of data, we can know things at the touch of a button, right? But how do we apply what we know? Are we using discernment? Are we being wise in how we make decisions as ministers, as leaders, as teachers, and as congregations? And so understanding these dimensions and how we apply them in ministry settings or congregational contexts is essential to being faithful and fruitful in ministry in the 21st century following Jesus, and really resonates with the Fresh Expressions way of being church, which is often thinking beyond just the inherited church or gathering in our buildings, but how do we really think about the greater good of our communities? How do we connect with our communities? How do we have a self-reflective capacity to understand our relationship between our ministries, our congregations, and the communities around us?